Good morning, students. How are you? You? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 9. Which unit? Unit 9, new unit. The unit name is the Greystone Phase 1, means the part 1. In the first part, there are two sections, and this is written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. Okay, so how many parts are there? There are two parts. This is the first one and the second part here, two parts. Okay, now I am going to tell you the story of this part, two parts. Listen it carefully. What is happened in the chapter, the Greystone Phase? So, one afternoon, a mother with her little son. With whom? With her little son. The son name is Ernest. What? Ernest. The Ernest was sitting at the door. Where they were sitting? The mother and the son. Ernest. They both were sitting what? At the door of their cottage. Where? Of their cottage. Sat at the cottage. They were talking about the Greystone Phase. Here, see the Greystone Phase. The picture is given. They were talking about what? The Greystone Phase. It was clearly visible in the bright sunshine. This the Greystone Phase is clearly visible. Where? In the morning. Bright sunshine. Okay, see the picture of a boy. This boy name is Ernest, and his mother sitting where? Sitting at the door. Sitting at the door of their cottage, and he looks what? He see this face, Greystone Phase, clearly visible. Where? During the day. Okay, then what happened? Here, thousands of people lived there. Not only these two, but so many people. Thousands of people lived here. Everybody there was familiar with this Greystone Phase. Everybody. Okay? It was a work of nature. This Greystone Phase was a work of nature. Okay? Some huge rocks. What? Some huge rocks. Immense rock. Huge rocks. Jointly. What? Jointly. Looked like the features of a human face. These rocks. Okay? Which has been thrown together. When viewed a proper distance, they resemblance a feature of human face. What? Human face. Okay? So, huge rocks jointly look like the features of a human face. Where? If we see this from a distance, it also looked alive. This human face is also looked what? Looked alive upon one another, piled upon one another. Okay. The giant face smiled. The giant face smiled. Where? On Ernest, and looked kindly. Okay. Looked how? Looked kindly. He wished to hear its pleasant voice. He looked. Who? He wished to hear its pleasant voice. He longed to see a man with such a face in order to love him dearly. This man. The mother reminded Ernest of the prophecy. Who? The mother reminded. This mother reminded him. Okay? What? There was a prophecy. There was what? There was a prophecy. What is the prophecy? It was that a child would be born there. What? That was child would be born here, means this in this village. That is the prophecy, whose face looks like this great stone face. Okay, that was the prophecy. He would become the greatest and noblest person of his time. Who? That man. He would become the greatest and noblest person of his time. In manhood, his face would bear true likeness to the Greystone face. The people had waited for such a person in vain. The people who lives in the village, they were waited for whom? The man whose face looks like that same. Okay, that was the old prophecy. The little boy hoped to live and see him. This little boy means the Ernest. Okay. The little boy hoped to live and see him. The mother strengthened his fancy. Ernest was a helpful and happy child. Ernest was how? Fanciful hope for little boy. Okay. So he was a helpful and happy child. He grew up to be a mild and quiet youth. A young man named Gathergold had left the valley many years before. Who? A young man named what? Named Gathergold. And the Gathergold had left the valley many years before. So what happened then? He had become quite a rich man there. The Gathergold had become a rich man, wealthy person, rich man. So the Gathergold decided to return to his native valley, where he decided to come back here. Now what happened? So there was a rumor. What? There was a rumor that Gathergold had the face of an old man. What? There was a rumor about this Gathergold. What is the rumor? The Gathergold had the face of an old man with yellow skin. That was a rumor. Okay? Greystone face looks like resemblance to the Greystone face. Okay, so a face of an old man with yellow skin. Which skin? Yellow skin. The people considered him the image of the Greystone face, the Gathergold face. The people of the village, okay, they considered this Gathergold image of the Greystone face. Ernest gazed up the valley. The stone face seemed to reject Gathergold as its likeness. What? As its likeness. Gazing. By whom? Gazing by the boy, means the Ernest. And the Gathergold was rejected. Okay? Then what happened? Ernest had grown. Okay? Now the years went on. The Ernest grew to be a young man. What? Grown to be a young man. Every day he would go off by himself and gaze upon the grey stone face. Every day he was habituated to see what? See this grey stone face. He wondered why. Who? The Ernest wondered why its likeness was delaying its appear. By this time, Gathergold had become poor and died without establishing his likeness with the stone face. Okay, that happened. Gathergold, grey stone face, who looks like this grey stone face, the Gathergold, what died in his poor. Now he became poor and died. Then what happened? Another son. Okay, another son. See, Gathergold was died. Now comes to another son of the valley. Had joined the armies as a soldier many years before. He had become a general. What? He had become the general by then and came to be known as Blood and Thunder. What? Blood and Thunder on the battlefield. In his old age. Now, what? In his old age, he desired to return to his valley. This soldier decided to come back to the valley. The people considered him as the likeness of the grey stone face. Okay? Grey stone face. Likeness of the grey stone face. On his return, he was welcomed warmly. When he came back to this village, the villagers all welcomed him. The gathering mistook him as the greatest man of all time. Greatest man of all time. Ernest failed. So, who? Ernest, this. See the picture of a general and a grey stone face. Okay? Now what happened? Ernest failed. Then what happened? Ernest failed to recognize any likeness between Blood and Thunder and the grey stone face. Who? This Blood and Thunder and the grey stone face. His heart assured him that the real copy had still not come. Whose heart? The Ernest could not recognize it. Okay? And he whispered, means the Ernest whispered, "Fear not, he will come." Means his heart assured him that the real copy had still not come. Whose real copy? The grey stone face. The grey stone face copy had still not come. So be waited here. So this is the story of the chapter. Unit 9, the grey stone face. Part 1. I hope you understand about the story. Thank you.